Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I will be teaching you or I will be showing you how we can fix when your Windows is not letting you to update. Okay, so when you're experiencing errors with updating Windows or the downloading percentage is stuck at a certain number, then please finish watching this video because we can fix that. Okay, so when your Windows update settings is not stating or not showing that you're up to date, then these two steps might be able to help you. Just follow these two steps. So the first thing we need to do is to disable any antivirus program which is running in your computer. And how can you do that? So just find this arrow here on the you can find it below your screen on the bottom portion of your screen, and you will find the icon for your antivirus, for example this one, and all you need to do is just make a right click on it and then just make a right click on it and then disable it for a particular time, maybe for like hours or like an hour or after restart, and then try to update it. Okay, so if it still didn't work, then please try to visit this link here. I'm going to provide this one on the description box below, where you can download, and you will be redirected to this website where you can download the recent update to your computer and run it as an exe file. Okay, so I hope you got the steps. And I hope this works for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I see you on the next one. Bye bye.